This is the REP Fitness PR-4000 Power Rack, and on paper, it looks like the perfect middle ground between a budget rack and a full-on commercial beast. But after actually training on it for a week, heavy squats, bench, even some sketchy late-night sessions, I found a couple of things they don't really highlight. So, is this the ultimate home gym upgrade, or just another overhyped metal box? Let's break it down. Rep Fitness PR-4000 Power Rack Product Overview. So, what exactly are we looking at? The Rep Fitness PR-4000 Power Rack is a modular, heavy-duty power rack designed for serious home gym users. It's been around for a few years, but continues to evolve with new attachments and customization options. Think of it as the sweet spot in Rep's lineup, sitting between the more budget-friendly PR-1000 and the ultra-premium PR-5000. It's built with 3x3-inch 11-gauge steel, offers a ton of configuration options, and supports a wide ecosystem of attachments. This rack is aimed squarely at lifters who want near commercial quality without completely blowing their budget. Rep Fitness PR-4000 Power Rack Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually feel to use? In one word, rock solid. I loaded this thing up with heavy squats, well over 300 pounds, and there was zero wobble, no shifting, no weird creaks. That 11-gauge steel, combined with proper bolting or even just solid weight storage, gives you a ton of confidence. And that matters, especially when you're lifting alone. The hole spacing, what they call Westside spacing, really shines during bench press. You can dial in your J-cup height perfectly, which means less awkward unracking and more efficient lifts. Pull-ups? Super stable. Even kipping movements didn't shake the frame much. But here's the thing, it's not just about strength, it's about flow. Moving between exercises, adjusting safeties, swapping attachments, it all feels intuitive after a couple of sessions. Features and tech. Let's talk about what makes this rack stand out. First up, modularity. The PR-4000 isn't just a rack, it's a platform. You can add lat pull-downs, cable systems, dip stations, landmines, you name it. That means your gym can evolve over time instead of becoming obsolete. Second, Westside hole spacing. Sounds technical, but here's why you care. It gives you more precise bar placement, especially for bench press. Translation, better form, safer lifts. Third, attachment compatibility. It works with a wide range of Rep and even some third-party attachments, so you're not locked into one ecosystem. And finally, weight storage options. Adding plate storage not only keeps your gym clean, but also stabilizes the rack even more. It's one of those features you don't think about until you use it every day. Design and build. Aesthetically, Rep nailed it. The PR-4000 has that clean, industrial look, thick steel uprights, powder-coated finishes, and multiple color options if you want to customize your setup. It feels premium without being flashy. The welds are clean, the hardware's solid, and everything lines up the way it should, which honestly isn't always the case with home gym equipment. One thing to note, this thing is big. Make sure you measure your space, especially ceiling height if you're planning pull-ups. Pros: extremely sturdy and stable, even under heavy loads. Great balance between price and commercial quality. Precise hole spacing improves lifting experience. Cons: assembly can be time-consuming. Attachments add up quickly in cost. Final verdict. So, who is this for, and is it worth your money? Look, if you're someone building a serious home gym, the PR-4000 is honestly one of the best investments you can make. It gives you that near-commercial feel without stepping into full commercial pricing. If you're a beginner just getting into lifting, this might be overkill. You could save money with something simpler. But if you're in that intermediate to advanced range, someone who trains consistently, values safety, and wants a setup that grows with you, this is a no-brainer.